Not all rifle scopes are created equal. Today we're exploring the 7 levels of Riflescope, ranking optics from budget beginner options to high-end performance beasts. We'll explain what makes each level different and which ones are worth your investment. Stay tuned to level up your optics knowledge and pick better scopes for your next hunt or range day. Level 7, Hawke Vantage. 6x24x50 Riflescope is a feature-packed budget optic designed for shooters who want high magnification, adjustable parallax, and illumination at an affordable price, making it a solid choice for long-range target shooting, air rifles, and rimfire setups. With its 6x24x magnification range and 50mm subjective lens, it provides strong zoom capability for extended distance shooting while also offering good light gathering for improved visibility in low-light conditions. A key feature is its adjustable objective, AO, which allows parallax correction from close distances to infinity, helping improve accuracy across different ranges. It also includes a glass-etched illuminated mil-dot reticle with red and green illumination and multiple brightness settings, enhancing target visibility in varying lighting conditions. The scope uses fully multi-coated lenses, delivering good brightness and contrast for its price category, although image sharpness may slightly decrease at maximum magnification. Built on a durable 1-inch monotube chassis and nitrogen-purged, it is waterproof and fog-proof for reliable field use. The capped turrets with 1.4 MOA adjustments are designed for simple set-and-forget use rather than frequent dialing. Pros: high magnification range, adjustable objective for better accuracy, illuminated reticle, good clarity for the price, durable build. Cons: not premium-level glass, capped turrets limit advanced use, slightly heavy, illumination not very bright in daylight. Price: typically ranges between $150 and $300, depending on configuration and availability. Level 6. Swarovski Z5 is a premium hunting optics series renowned for its ultra-lightweight design, exceptional glass quality, and precision engineering, making it a top-tier choice for serious hunters and long-range shooters who value performance without added bulk. Available in configurations such as 2.4 12f50, 3.5 18x44, and 5 25f52, it offers outstanding versatility for everything from close-range woodland hunting to extended distance shooting in open terrain. One of its defining strengths is its lightweight construction, often around 15-16 Oz, which makes it ideal for mountain hunting and long treks where every ounce matters. The scope delivers excellent optical performance with highlight transmission, sharp edge-to-edge clarity, and strong contrast, ensuring clear visibility even in low-light conditions like dawn and dusk. It typically uses a second focal plane reticle, providing a clean and uncluttered sight picture for practical hunting use. Built on a slim yet durable 1-inch aluminum tube, it maintains reliability in harsh environments while offering sufficient adjustment range. Many models include a customizable ballistic turret system for quick and precise elevation adjustments in the field. Pros: exceptional glass clarity, extremely lightweight design, excellent low-light performance, customizable ballistic turret, premium build quality. Cons: expensive second focal plane design, limited tactical features. Price: typically ranges between $300 and $700 depending on model and configuration. Level 5, Nightforce NX6 530x56 is a premium long-range optic built for serious precision shooters, competition use, and advanced hunting applications, offering top-tier performance with a more streamlined design than ultra-flagship scopes. With its 5-30x magnification range and large 56mm objective lens, it delivers exceptional capability for extreme distance shooting while maintaining excellent low-light performance and image clarity. A key highlight is its first focal plane, FFP reticle, ensuring that holdovers, wind corrections, and ranging marks remain accurate at all magnification levels, which is essential for long-range and dynamic shooting scenarios. The scope features Nightforce's field-set turret system, providing precise, repeatable adjustments and easy zero reset without special tools, along with a wide internal adjustment range for extended distance dialing. Optical performance is outstanding, offering sharp resolution, strong contrast, and consistent clarity even in challenging conditions. Built on a rugged 34-meter aluminum tube, it is engineered to handle heavy recoil and harsh environments, maintaining Nightforce's reputation for extreme durability. Despite its performance, it remains relatively manageable in size for its class, though still heavier than typical hunting scopes. Pros: exceptional long-range capability, FFP reticle accuracy, extremely durable build, precise turret system, excellent optical clarity. Cons, expensive, relatively heavy, overkill for casual shooters. Price typically ranges between $2,000 and $2,300 depending on configuration and availability. Level 4. Leupold VX3i is a premium mid-range hunting optic known for its excellent optical clarity, lightweight design, and dependable field performance, making it a top choice for serious hunters and shooters. Available in configurations such as 3.5 10x40, 4.5 14:40, and 6.5 20x50, it offers strong versatility for both mid-range and extended distance shooting across various terrains. Built with Leupold's elite optical system and Twilight Max light management system, it delivers outstanding brightness, contrast, and glare reduction, especially in low-light conditions like dawn and dusk. The scope typically uses a second focal plane reticle such as duplex or winplex, providing a clean and simple sight picture for practical hunting use. Many variants include features like the CDS, custom dial system, and zero lock, allowing precise elevation adjustments while preventing accidental turret movement. Constructed from a durable one-piece aluminum tube, it is waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, ensuring reliable performance in harsh environments while remaining lightweight for long hunts. Pros: excellent low-light performance, lightweight design, high-quality glass clarity, durable construction, optional CDS, and zero-lock features. Cons: second focal plane design, limited tactical features, relatively expensive compared to entry-level optics. Price typically ranges between $450 and $700, depending on configuration and availability. Level 3. Vortex Crossfire ZEISS. Riflescope is a highly popular entry-level optic designed for hunters and general shooters who want dependable performance, durable construction, and good optical clarity at an affordable price. Available in multiple configurations such as 2 732, 3 9x40, and 4 12x44, it offers excellent versatility for short to mid-range shooting, making it ideal for hunting, plinking, and everyday rifle use. A key feature across the lineup is its fully multi-coated lenses, which provide bright, clear images with decent contrast, along with long eye relief and a forgiving eye box that makes target acquisition quick and comfortable. Built on a single-piece aircraft-grade aluminum tube, the scope is waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, ensuring reliable performance in harsh outdoor conditions. Most models feature second focal plane reticles like dead-hold BDC or V-plex, which simplify bullet drop compensation while keeping the sight picture clean and easy to use. The capped turrets are designed for set-and-forget adjustments, prioritizing zero retention over frequent dialing. Optical performance is strong for its price class, though edge clarity and low-light performance are not on the level of mid- or premium-tier optics. Pros: very affordable, durable build quality, clear optics for the price, forgiving eye relief, versatile configurations. Cons: fixed parallax on most models, basic turret system, average low-light performance, not suitable for long-range precision shooting. Price typically ranges between $130 and $300 depending on model and configuration. Level 2. BARSKA Level Series. Riflescope is a budget to mid-range optic lineup designed to offer a blend of tactical-style features, illuminated reticles, and solid durability at an affordable price, making it a practical choice for hunters, recreational shooters, and entry-level precision users. Available in multiple configurations such as 312x50, 416x50, and LPVO style 16x24, the Level Series provides versatility for both close-range and mid- to long-range shooting applications. A key highlight is the illuminated MOA reticle, typically red and green with adjustable brightness, which helps improve visibility in varying light conditions, especially during dawn and dusk. These scopes also feature fully multi-coated optics that deliver good brightness and clarity for their price class, though not at premium levels. The Level Series is built on a durable 30mm aluminum tube and includes features like lockable windage and elevation turrets with zero reset, allowing for more precise adjustments compared to basic hunting scopes. Many models also include side focus or adjustable parallax systems, enhancing accuracy across different distances. Construction is waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, ensuring reliability in outdoor environments. However, most models use a second focal plane reticle, and while the feature set is strong for the price, optical refinement and tracking precision are not on par with higher-end optics. Pros: affordable price, illuminated reticle with adjustable brightness, solid build quality, multiple magnification options, Good feature set for the price. Cons: average glass quality, second focal plane design, limited precision for advanced long-range shooting, slightly heavier than basic hunting scopes. Price: typically ranges between $200 and $350 depending on model and configuration. Level 1. ZEISS LRP S5. First focal plane is a top-tier precision optic designed for elite long-range shooters, competitive marksmen, and professional users who demand maximum accuracy, advanced turret systems, and exceptional optical performance. Available in configurations like 3x18x50 and 520x56, it is engineered specifically for extreme distance shooting, offering outstanding target clarity and precision across a wide magnification range. A key highlight is its first focal plane, FFP reticle, ensuring that holdovers, wind corrections, and ranging marks remain accurate at all magnification levels, which is essential for precision shooting and dynamic engagements. The scope features ZEISS's premium glass with advanced coatings, delivering exceptional brightness, color accuracy, and edge-to-edge clarity even in challenging lighting conditions. It is equipped with a highly advanced turret system featuring a precise zero-stop and locking mechanism along with a massive internal adjustment range, allowing shooters to dial confidently for extreme distances. Built on a robust 30-40mm tube, the scope is extremely durable, waterproof, fog-proof, and designed to withstand harsh environments and heavy recoil. The ergonomics and turret feel are considered among the best in the industry, offering smooth, tactile, and highly repeatable adjustments. While the optical and mechanical performance is among the best available, the scope is relatively heavy and positioned firmly in the premium price category, making it more suitable for professionals than casual users. Pros: exceptional optical clarity, elite turret system, FFP reticle accuracy, massive adjustment range, extremely durable construction. Cons: very expensive, heavy overkill for beginner or casual shooters. Price: typically ranges between $2,500 and $3,500 depending on configuration and availability. Thanks for watching. Hope this guide on the 7 levels of rifle scopes gave you clarity on what to choose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your shooting buddies. Drop your questions or experience in the comments, and stay tuned for more honest reviews and tips. See you next time.